In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate the view in Blender's 3D viewport. Rotating the view is one of those fundamentals that makes everything else easier. Whether you're modeling, sculpting, or just inspecting a scene, being able to orbit around your work smoothly helps you see details, check alignment, and spot mistakes early. The most common and fastest way is to press and hold the middle mouse button and drag. Think of it like grabbing the air around your scene and turning it. Small controlled drags give you fine adjustments, while larger movements swing you around more dramatically. If it doesn't seem to respond, make sure your cursor is actually over the 3D viewport and not another panel. Release the button to stop the orbit the moment you land on the angle you want. You can also use the view navigation gizmo in the top right of the 3D viewport. Click and drag directly on the little sphere to rotate the view without holding any keys. It's great for precise, predictable moves because you can see the axes while you rotate. For perfect alignment, click the X, Y, or Z axes on the gizmo to snap to exact angles instantly. This is handy when you need a clean front, side, or top view without guessing. For even faster presets, use the numpad. Press 1 to jump straight to the front view, 3 for the right view, and 7 for the top view. Hold control with any of these to flip to the opposite side, like back, left, or bottom. These keys are ideal for quick checks and for resetting your perspective after a lot of free rotation. If your keyboard doesn't have a numpad, no worries, you can rely on the gizmo or the other methods shown here. If you're on a laptop trackpad or don't have a middle mouse button, you can emulate it. Go to Edit, open Preferences, select Input, and enable Emulate 3 button mouse. With that on, hold Alt and drag with the left mouse button to rotate the view. This mirrors the middle mouse experience and makes navigation consistent even without an external mouse. On a Mac with a trackpad, there's an extra convenience. When Emulate 3 button mouse is enabled, you can rotate using a 2-finger drag on the trackpad. It feels natural and keeps your hands on the laptop, which is great for quick adjustments or when you're working on the go. Try each method and pick the one that fits your setup and workflow. If you want, I can continue with the next topic, maybe how to move objects, how to use the camera, or how to switch between views.